Today, people who are trying to feed the hungry are getting some help themselves. Perdue Farms is donating over $57,000 to the Food Bank of Delaware for the purchase of a new truck.
We know how much logistics and effort goes into distributing food throughout this community and throughout the country, and we knew they needed a new vehicle.
The food bank is in need of a new refrigerated truck to help deliver meals and food, replacing old vehicles which no longer function well.
It would help out a lot, tremendously. The daily, day-to-day operations, it would help out a lot. It would, help us get a lot more food out.
We drive our vehicles as long as we possibly can, and a lot of times they just, they stop running virtually.
Today's donation is a continuation of the Perdue Food Bank relationship.
They've given us over 16 million pounds of product. They've given us $80,000 in cash already. They gave us $60,000 when we doubled the size of this facility 6 years ago. So they have just been a tremendous partner.
But Perdue is just giving a large portion of what's needed for the new truck. It's a challenge for the community to provide the additional $42,000.
We thought that would be some leverage and some incentive to get some other companies, other neighbors, other individuals in the community to want to support this endeavor as well.
Perdue says the reason it's so important for them to give back is because they want to be a good neighbor.
And make sure nobody goes hungry where we live and work.
In Milford, I'm Timothy Parker for WRDE, Delmarva Zone NBC Station.